Hello friends, in this video we are going to unbox and review WildHorn gift wallet along with a keychain as well as a pen. This can be a good gift to give your friends and everyone for birthdays and all. I will tag the product also in the video description. You can check the price of this product. So when you open it, there is a product information card along with the warranty details and leather and all. And then you can see a nice pen also comes along with that. It looks quite premium. So let's keep it aside. And then it comes a nice leather keychain. You can see that. Which can be nice, like there is a branding also given here, and the quality looks really fine and lightweight too. So let's keep it there. Then you can see that a nice paper wrap about the WildHorn branding. The wallet is placed inside. So it is quite soft. When you touch it, you can see that, and it feels really light, and the premium feeling you can see it. There are good amount of stitching on both sides of the wallet, and also there is one hidden pocket here, and in back side also one hidden pocket. That's really cool. And also you can see RFID protection is mentioned here. This is how thick it is look from different sides, which is pretty easy to carry. Now let me open it. The first thing is the coin compartment. So once you open the coin compartment, you can see there is plenty of space, and there are two hidden compartments are there, like you can keep your stuff inside very neatly. And then you can see there is a credit and debit card slots. So let's open further. So you can see there are two transparent areas, so you can keep your stuff clearly, like your photographs, your ID card, so that you can show to anybody easily like this. And then let's open it. You can see there are credit and debit card slots multiple. There are two items are there, so it is more than enough. And WildHorn branding is given in the bottom, and as well as genuine leather is also mentioned. Now let me open it and see that there are two credit and debit card, there are two currency holders are there, as you can see here. So this is pretty convenient, and there is good quality also, I can say that. Backside obviously RFID protection is mentioned. This is all about this particular gift box, which comes with wallet, pen and other items, and which can be a good option to gift for their birthdays or something, your friends and family, because this thing people will be using every day, so they might remember about you whenever they see it. So that's it. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and also like the video. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.